Hi guys, it's Ryan from Hills. I'm on Wyatt Avenue in Salford M5 to show you this new listing. It is a spacious 3-bedroom terrace property within walking distance to Salford Quays and Media City. As we enter, we go into this really well maintained kitchen diner, which leads on through to a hallway in the middle that opens on up into the stylish lounge. It benefits from patio doors that lead out onto this beautifully presented garden, complete with decking. It's got a brick built outbuilding for storage as well. This is a really great social space. Property benefits from being within easy access of transport links throughout Manchester, including through to Manchester city centre as well. Plenty of storage. There's also a downstairs storage room that has the potential to be used for downstairs toilet as well. Still got the plumbing in there. And as we head upstairs to the front of the property, we've got the main bedroom, which is a really good sized double. We've got this huge 3-piece bathroom, complete with a shower of the bath, his and hers sink, and the toilet as well. We've got the second bedroom just through here, which again is a good sized double, benefits from fitted furniture. And then this nicely presented third bedroom. Like I say, the property is really good size and benefits from off-road parking to the front and really convenient location. Get in touch to secure your viewing today.